at Malloy, we often get asked how to install the Timken V-lock. Now, the Timken V-lock is a fantastic coupling where it offers concentric locking without the requirement of set screws onto the shaft. We'll go over the internal parts of the V-lock. We have the sleeve, the removal nut, and the wedge that does the work. Now, the advantage of the Timken V-lock is you lock it down. It has a positive locking mechanism at the bottom, which prevents you from over-tightening the bearing. Now here we'll show you how to install the Timken V-lock. First off, verify that your shaft is within tolerance. Next, install the sleeve onto the shaft itself. Now install the bearing onto the shaft into the sleeve. Now, a portion that often gets overmissed is to remove the removal nut during this portion. Now we bring the wedge up onto the sleeve and lock down. With that positive locking, you don't have to worry about over-tightening the bearing. We lock it down. We'll bring the wedge up and lock it down. Then we lock the pillow block onto the housing itself. Next, we bring up the removal nut finger tight. Next, we tighten down the set screws in the nuts themselves. They don't actually go into the shaft, they prevent the nuts from backing off during operation. And that is how you install the Timken V-lock. If you had additional questions, you can check out our MalloyElectric.com website or give us a call.